Good morning. Time to get up.
Morning already? I still feel sleepy.
Come on. I made your favorite breakfast, omelet and toast.
Really? That sounds delicious. Thank you.
And don't forget your umbrella. It might rain today.
Good reminder. You always think of everything.
Hi, how's your morning? Busy, but good. I cooked and did some laundry. Wow, so productive. I just had my first coffee. Lucky you. Let's meet this weekend. Sure. How about lunch at the new pasta place?
Sounds perfect. I'll text you the time.
Hello. What can I get for you?
I need 1 bottle of milk, please.
And anything else?
Yes, 1 loaf of brown bread and a bag of oranges.
That's $5 in total.
Here you go.
Thank you.
I'm home.
Welcome back. How was work?
Busy, but I'm glad to be home.
I made vegetable soup for dinner.
That's perfect. Let's eat together.
After dinner, let's watch a movie.
Great idea. I'll make some tea.